What's going on, everybody? David Wong back again here on your screen. And on today's video, I'm going to talk about the buyer's mindset. More specifically, a buyer's mindset on Facebook versus a buyer's mindset in a marketplace, such as Amazon, eBay, or even Google. So before we get into it, let me hit you with something to put you in the mindset for this video to help drive the point home. So let's use the example of going to a shopping mall. Okay, so there's two reasons you go to a shopping mall. One, you have a goal of buying something. Two, you have nothing better to do, right? And those are the times where you walk in, someone asks you, how can I help you? Can I get you a size? And you're like, oh no, I'm just looking around, because you don't have the buyer's mindset. You're not there to buy, right? You're just there to kill time, chill with friends, whatever. So the mindset of someone in a marketplace such as Amazon is the one where you are going to the mall because you have the goal of buying something. You may not purchase the same day on Amazon, but at least you have some level of interest to know either the availability or the price or your options of something that you want to buy on Amazon. And more importantly, you're looking for a very specific item. You're ready to buy. Once the opportunity presents itself, you will most likely make the purchase. So the mindset of people on Facebook is really social. They're there to see updates, they're there to see memes, they're there to talk to their friends. So what you need to be able to do is shift them from a social mindset on Facebook to a buyer's mindset. And there's many ways you can do that. I'll talk about that in just a minute because I really want to drive this point home first. No one, or like a very small percent of people, will purchase from you on your first ad. So don't get discouraged if the first ad you run doesn't work, or the first few ads you run don't work. Because first of all, if I saw your ad, I don't know who you are, I don't know what your brand is, I don't know what your history is. Are you legit? Are you a scam? I don't know. Heck, if I knew that you are selling something that I can buy from AliExpress, I might as well order it for myself, because I know one is cheaper, and two, that it'll probably get shipped, right? In case you guys are one of the few bad apples that ruin it for the rest of us and don't fulfill the item. So you need to put yourself in your audience's shoes and ask yourself, why might someone not purchase from me? I'm getting all these impressions, assuming that your targeting is spot on. I'm getting all these impressions and all these clicks to my page, but no one's buying from me. Why? You need to put yourself in their shoes and basically perform an audit on your own store. Ask people, ask your family, your friend, people in Facebook groups, people on Reddit, to basically audit your store. So just to touch on the top 3 ways that I like to use to shift someone from a social mindset to a buyer's mindset, which I'll go through in greater details in another video. The first one is using a pre-launch. Okay, if you're selling a product, whether it be a physical product or a digital product, set up a pre-launch and advertise that pre-launch. Okay, you'll want to be able to introduce the product to someone without having them to buy. What's useful is then you can retarget those people later on when you officially launch your product, or you can collect an email and keep them update about the email. Keep sending them emails about your product to get them interested, make them feel like they need or want the product. So my second favorite way of shifting is using a pre-sell page. Pre-sell page is much faster than using a pre-launch, because in a pre-launch, what you would do is gradually introduce the product to the potential customer, whereas with a pre-sell page, you go right into it, you introduce the product, you show it in action, in hopes that would quickly convert the mindset of the individual from social to a buyer's mindset. So my third favorite way is using an ad with an article. And this article can be on a blog or your website. And basically what you want to do is, in the article, identify a problem, and the article should revolve directly around the problem, not your product. And about halfway through the article, or at the end of it, introduce your product as a solution to the problem that they're reading about. Okay, and then you can immediately retarget these people, because you know that because they click the link, they either likely are interested about the problem, they know someone who has the problem, or they themselves have the problem. Okay, and you presented them with an article, or an item or product that can help them potentially solve the issue. So I hope you guys found this video informative, and if you have your own way of shifting someone to a buyer's mindset, let me know in the comments because I want to read it and potentially try it out for myself. And again, guys, everyone or a lot of people are selling products online in 2018. What makes you stand out from the rest of them? Okay, you have to do these small things and stand the test of time. A lot of these people who are sending people directly to a product page are going to drop off the grid real quick. Okay, they might get a sale faster than you, but they have no rapport with their customers. Okay, you built a relationship by taking the time and shifting someone over to wanting to buy from you because you provided them value. Okay, none of this is going to be fast. Okay, you're going to have to invest time, you're going to have to invest money, you're going to have to put the work in it, but what you get in return is greater than what you invested. Trust me. Alright, until the next video, guys, see ya.